Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in North Carolina. First, understand the residency and separation requirements. You and your spouse must live separately for 1 year with the intent for divorce. Additionally, one of you must have resided in North Carolina for at least 6 months before filing. Confirming these initial conditions is crucial before proceeding with any paperwork. Next, you'll prepare your legal documents. The primary form is the complaint for absolute divorce. Fill this out carefully, providing all necessary details about your marriage and separation. Once completed, take your forms to the clerk of Superior Court in the county where you or your spouse resides. You will also need to pay the court filing fee, which is approximately $260. After filing, your spouse must be formally served with the divorce papers. This ensures they are legally notified of the proceedings. You can arrange for service by certified mail, return receipt requested, or have the county sheriff deliver the documents. It is vital that service is performed correctly, as improper service can delay your divorce process significantly. Finally, you'll move towards finalizing your divorce. If your spouse does not respond within the legal timeframe, you can request a default judgment. Otherwise, you may need to attend a brief court hearing. The judge will review your case and, if all requirements are met, will issue a judgment of absolute divorce, legally ending your marriage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.